So guys, it's Olusola Daniel again, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create WhatsApp channel. Now guys, the first thing you want to do is to go to your updates tab, click on it. That's now changed to update. It used to be status. This is the tab where you view status, where you create your own status as well. But due to the new updates, so the tab has been changed from status to update. Now guys, like I used to say, WhatsApp has been for years now, and it is long overdue for monetization. Although WhatsApp has been monetized, but it has been monetized even before now. But it's usually for those using WhatsApp business, and not all those using WhatsApp business, but for organizations that wants to use some premium features. For some organizations that wants to use premium features on WhatsApp business, you understand, like autoresponder, like press one to do this. There are some things, this is even beyond autoresponder itself. There are some things you can do with WhatsApp business that you have to pay for. Yes, but let me not bore you with that. So like I said, the channel updates that has been brought to WhatsApp, it's a new development, and I don't know if the feature is available on the normal WhatsApp, but this is business WhatsApp I'm using to show you. So if you want to create, you go to the tab, to the updates tab, and you should see something like this, like channel like this. Now guys, you should know that so many updates are being rolled out on WhatsApp, from screen sharing to editing your text to making your chat private, and so many things. Now guys, this channel, now I want to believe you know the reason, and if you don't know the reason for this channel, now Mark is stylishly looking for a way to start advertising on this WhatsApp platform. I told somebody last year that very soon WhatsApp will start seeing adverts in between our chats on WhatsApp. As you can see these chats now, you start seeing adverts in between it, and this is just the beginning. This channel update is like a pointer to what I just predicted last year. Now, what is the essence of this channel? Like I said earlier, now the channel now would enable WhatsApp and the Meta technology, that's the Meta parent company, to know what WhatsApp users' interests are. I hope that is understandable. Now, as you can see here now, look at channels. These are channels, and I think I can also search for channels that I want. Find channels. Yes, now just like YouTube, you search for channels. As you can see, let me click on it once again. You search for channels, you join channels, and from there, WhatsApp will start gathering your interest. This is just the beginning. It is people might not even notice at this early stage, but this is just the beginning. So as you follow channels, WhatsApp will begin to gather your interest, the things you show interest in. And I'm very sure very soon advertisers will start paying to advertise on this WhatsApp platform. It will be like in-app adverts, and it's going to be in between chats. Like I said earlier, it's going to be in between chats. So now guys, I strongly believe this is the reason for this channel creation on WhatsApp. So you can as well create your own channel, just like a YouTube channel where people subscribe to your channel, and you can as well follow or subscribe to other people's channel, which at the end of the day is what advertisers will use to target you when they start advertising on the WhatsApp platform. That is just it, guys. That is just it. That is because I see no reason for channels when we have broadcast list and all of those things. But channel creation is coming in as a way for Uncle Mark, which is the CEO of Meta, to start gathering people's interest on WhatsApp. Of course, we know WhatsApp is a very useful platform, and it's something that's almost almost anybody would go to first thing in the morning. So should I say, it brings people closer to each other compared to going to Facebook, using Messenger and using some other text messaging app, WhatsApp brings people very close together. They feel like they are sitting side by side or sleeping side by side. So WhatsApp is easier to use and it gives people more personalized experience. So this is why we have a lot of people using WhatsApp today. Even in businesses, they use WhatsApp. So now, guys, that is the essence of these channels. That is the essence of these channels, to gather people's interest, and at the end of the day they start Facebook will start bringing WhatsApp as an option, as a platform to advertise on. You understand? So it's not something you need to be worried about. It's not something you should be scared about. So if you are not an advertiser, it's actually an opportunity for advertisers to reach more people when they advertise. So it's something great. So as I was saying, guys, to create the WhatsApp channel, you move now to create the WhatsApp channel, you move from chats, you click on updates, then you click on this plus sign that you can see in front of these channels. You click on it this way. Now you can see find channels, create channel. So this is how to create your own channel. Now I'm creating my own channel for the first time and I'm using this as a tutorial to walk you guys through how to do this, to go through this process seamlessly. Now guys, you click on create channel like this. Now it opens up this. Now create a channel to reach unlimited followers. Anyone can discover your channel and so on. And so people see your channel, not you. You are responsible for your channel. Yes, just like a YouTube channel. Now you click on continue like this. Now it will ask you to name your channel. Name your channel. Let's say Olusola Daniel. This is the exact name I have on my YouTube channel. So I just want it to be the same thing. It's asking me to add a picture. Let me see if I have a picture I can add from my gallery. Let me see if I have a picture. I just hope I have some. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. I think I should have some I can use. Think I should have some I can use. And if not, let me not make the video long. Let me just go back and I will be doing that later. So in your own case, you can find a picture and add to yours. Then you can describe your channel. I want to believe we can always do this. We can always edit this later, but um let me just put something. Welcome to my WhatsApp channel where I share everything marketing, sales, everything marketing, sales, Facebook and Instagram ads, general business tips and tech related solutions. So that's all for now. I can come back to edit that. So make sure you do this for yourself as well. So then once you're done, you want to click on create channel this way. Create channel. It's creating the channel already. So wow, as you can see guys, the channel has been created. It's telling me I have 0 followers. So it's as easy as that. Saying the channel null was created. Okay, this channel has added privacy for your profile and phone number. Okay, so guys, it's as easy as that. It's as easy as that. So you can, let me see, follow. I think I just followed myself, following Olusola Daniel. So 1 follower. So let's go back. I think that is all. So you can see this is my channel now. I can decide to go back and add few things, quite a few things. So it's my WhatsApp just closed. Let me quickly open it back. So that is just it, guys. Then let me click on this is my channel. Let me see what the settings will look like. Okay, this is it. Invite via link. So that is just that, guys. I want to believe you find it very easy to do this, because it's just like you're creating a group. So now let me go back. I think that is that, guys. It's as easy as that. So like I said, the essence of this channel is for creators to be able to gather their followers, and for Meta itself to be able to find people's interest, and at the end of the day be able to advertise to them. Although it's not looking as if Meta technology would start advertising to people on WhatsApp, but this is the end result. Watch out, guys, this is the end result. So guys, with that, I've come to the end of this video, and I hope you find it useful. Make sure you maximize the new feature that has just been added to WhatsApp, which is creating your own channel, and make sure you gather as much followers as you can for your business, for your brand, and for whatsoever reasons you think you need to gather people. So guys, I remain Olusola Daniel. Make sure you are always having a great time. Bye for now.